Coach LV, samahan niyo ko sa ating 10-minute full body workout, fat burning workout. Gagamit tayo ng dumbbells. Kung wala kayong dumbbells, pwede kayong gumamit ng water bottle or kaya naman, pwede itong gawin ng body weight lang. 10 minutes, gagawin natin bawat exercise ng 40 seconds at mag-rest tayo ng 20 seconds pagkatapos ng bawat exercise.
3, 2, 1, work.
First exercise natin ang ating squats. 40 seconds. Inhale, exhale. Core tight. I-vacuum ang inyong tiyan paloob. Butt out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale when you go down. Exhale when you go up.
Halfway.
I'm using a pair of 15-pound dumbbells.
Three, 2, 1.
And rest. 20 seconds rest. Next natin ang ating RDL. Stand shoulder width apart. Slightly bend your knees. Core tight. I-vacuum ang inyong tiyan paloob. I-glide ng dumbbells sa inyong shin or sa harapan ng inyong legs.
2, 1, work.
40 seconds. Let's go.
Halfway. Three, 2, 1, rest.
Next natin ang ating bend over row. 15 seconds. Bend over row.
3, 2,
Bend forward.
One.
Slightly bend your knees.
work.
Bring your dumbbells sa inyong side waist. Pause for 2 seconds. And slowly bring down. Core
Halfway.
tight.
Three, 2, 1, rest.
And rest. Next exercise natin ang ating reverse lunges. Alternate.
Three,
Inhale, exhale.
1,
Reverse lunges. Slightly bend forward kung gusto niyo mas ma-focus ang inyong glute muscles. Kung mas gusto niyo ma-focus sa inyong quads, upright lang ang inyong katawan.
halfway.
Again, kung wala kayong dumbbells, pwede itong gawin ng body weight lang. Last 7 seconds.
3, 2, 1, rest.
And rest. Next natin ang ating single arm snatch. I-vacuum or engage ang inyong abdominal muscles.
3, 2, 1,
Single arm. It works on your abs, sa inyong arms, sa inyong shoulders. Ganun na rin sa inyong glutes at hamstrings.
halfway.
Last 20 seconds.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
And rest for 20 seconds. You can sip some water. Pero wag madami pag uminom kayo ng tubig. And on the
3, 2,
other arm,
1. Work.
exhale when you bring the dumbbell up. Inhale when you bring the dumbbell down. Huwag niyo pipigilan ng inyong hininga. Kailangan ng muscles natin ng oxygen para hindi kayo nahihilo.
Halfway. Three, 2, 1. Rest.
On the floor, let's work on our glutes. Ating glute bridge. Ilagay ang dumbbell sa inyong harapan. Kunin lahat ng weight from your heels.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Press against the floor. Squish your glutes. Hold for 2 seconds. Slowly go down. Feel your glutes. 40 seconds.
Halfway. Three, 2, 1. Rest.
Rest. Next natin ang ating push-ups. Siguraduhin ang inyong arms at ang inyong shoulders align. Core tight.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Ang inyong elbow hindi naka-flare out. Inhale when you go down. Exhale when you go up. Modified version. On your knees. Ibaba ang unang inyong dibdib. And press up. Kung mahirap pa rin to,
Halfway.
flat and then press up.
Three, 2, 1. Rest.
Rest. Next natin ang ating mountain climber. Para sa ating core.
2, 1. Work.
Modified version, you can skip ang bouncing. Just bring your knees in. 40 seconds. Full body workout. It's a full
Halfway.
body exercise sa ating arms, core.
Three, 2, 1. Rest.
And rest. Last natin ang ating burpees.
Three, 2, 1. Work.
40 seconds. Last exercise for the first round. You can do it.
Halfway. 3, 2, 1. Finish.
Woo! Thank you so much for joining me. Kung nabitin kayo, pwede nyo ulitin ang ating workout. 2 or 3 rounds, depende sa inyong fitness level. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Coach Elvie. I'll see you in my next one.